Hey, we boami what? Yes. Oh yes.
Hey.
We ha. Another mini problem. Am I clear? Thank you very much. Oh, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. What? Hey. The way you run on pants and look what? I'm the softest stone boy, me and me, Mama. What? Monsumi Musa, what? I'm some more. Miss Money. What? Muslim, I'm some more. What? As so you win. What? Name moi. So I'm talking about glory. And pa, hey, we boami what? Yes. Oh yes.
Hey.
Well, yes, we should do more papaya. Jesus, out.
Suffer.
Please, excuse me. Where's Mr. Dimu Papaya? Say, go to Pesiki. Say, go to Matamaka Siki Posipi. Say, go to Pesiki. Sa Baba Sikupi. Chasing him. Where's Mr. Dimu?
Hey, sorry.
Glory. Oh, yes, Christ, Dimu Papaya. Amen.
Only to say amen.
I'm fine,
Amen.
I'm fine, what? And I'm Papa. Next time I can cry so. See, been a few months now. It is a that was still for all. What?
It's a bit showing.
What you say?
It's
been penetrating free on the moon. And you know,
it's what in the bed here. I say, oi.
Mamma, we need to send me. Me so for
And I bet me the crocodile soften over.
Oh, madam. I can't say.
It's nothing.
Send me a vampire.
Yeah.
It's nothing. One day invite you to it. What's nothing?
What you say?
In the Bible, friend.
My Bible.
What's her anyway?
But you wait my team.
I didn't be who you know. And you're so funny to me, I said, no, like,
a vampire.
Or vampire.
Yeah.
Hey, me make cast match also or vampire. Anybody able to achieve? Eh, Shanyama.
Please quiet.
Be quiet.
I've seen something right now. Guys.
So Bible.
Hey, why? Minister report.
My dear.
What is
it?
Won't be almost see almost someone who did see. So Johnson, had it.
What for Jimmy ever for me so how?
Why so to the man of God?
Made my better say, don't go be a. How every say, some fake life now, money you are going to hand. Fifiase call. Now we make us much. I will catch him today.
I am medical
I'm back for ready. So for a vampire. And they need a vampire. Oh, Bessie. Over one way. Yep, in the house. Bessie. Also a software. Whoa. Be a big punishment.
And tell me who the first gonna stop this, cause I'm forcing.
I'm no more loser, they feel this why I choose. Big things coming up, get ready to groove. It's funny how you see things getting approved by the devil, them no knows, they don't figure you did lose.